Hi, this is Shelly from the Print Mint. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rubber die on your self-inking stamp. Sometimes if there is a mistake that was made on the original rubber die that we made, we will just send you a new piece of rubber, and then this video will show you how to change that out because the machine is still usable. So what you'll want to do is depress it until the rubber shows, and then there's actually a little locking mechanism on some of the models, not all of them, and we'll press that in, and then you want to clean it off a little bit from the ink with a rag or something, so that it doesn't get all over your hands. Probably still will a little, and then you can just peel up the corner like I'm doing right here. And then on the new piece of rubber, there is an adhesive already on there, so all you need to do is pick off the top layer of it. Okay, and then you'll want to make sure that the front is facing towards you, and make sure that your rubber piece is right side up, and then you can just kind of center it using the grid lines. If there is grid lines, sometimes there's not on like our round models and stuff. And then just press it on, and then all you have to do is unlock it, and then it will go back down, and press it down a few times and it'll work just fine. Now I'll show you how to change the indexing on the top. You can just pop off this plastic lid and the paper comes right out. There should be a blank side still available on the other side. You can just put that down and try to line your stamp up. Stamp on it, put it back in place, and then pop the lid back on. You're all set.